Ta-da! So we have the finished Carmel top with cowl. Ta-da! So the pockets are nice and big and roomy. This is a little snug for me around the hips because I didn't grade out because I'm not making it for me. But yeah, I think this is a nice little summery sort of t-shirt, sweater, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm glad. I like the purple on just the pocket detail on this side and the neckline, and then we've got this little triangle of purple on this side. I think it works. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy making it. So if you'd love to make your own version of the Sinclair Patterns Carmel top, you can join me to do the sew along within the Love and Stitches Club. The link's in the description box below. I hope to see you there, but if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section.